Look, beautiful, pretty. Look, pretty. Hey beautiful, today I'm gonna be showing you guys my amazing haul that I got from Temu. Let's get into it. Temu is sponsoring today's video. Yeah. So I got all these amazing goodies for $0. You can pay $0 for a certain amount of products if you use this code right here. I will leave it on the screen right here as well, and I'll show you guys how to enter it on the Temu app as well, so you guys can get this amazing deal as well. You guys know it can get pretty pricey for the holidays, shopping, all that for yourself or your loved ones. It adds up pretty quickly, but you can save a lot of money using the Temu app. So I want to show you guys what I got. I'm so freaking excited because you guys know I love a good deal. So let me show you guys what I got. First thing is this projector right here. I love me this projector. So you can plug it in, put it on your tripod and just stream. I love to use this, especially in the beauty room, because I don't have a TV in here. So this thing comes in handy and it freaking kicks butt. And it has a built-in speaker as well, which is awesome. And I also got the screen for it. I can use it outside. I can use it anywhere in the house. This was freaking awesome. You guys know I love a good nail set. I feel like there is a set for everybody. And the price, you cannot freaking beat it. Especially if you use my code. Make sure to use my code. Anyways, so freaking good. Let me show you real quick. Look at this one right here. Like, look how pretty they look. Here's an up close. Beautiful. This pair. Look how pretty. And the detail. Yes, that's what we like. Look how beautiful and dramatic these are. You know I like it. Are you ready? Are you ready? Look at them. So beautiful, so diva. Look at that. That is gorgeous. Detail. It's everything. Like, these are beautiful. How are you gonna tell me I didn't sit at the salon for 2 to 3 hours if I'm wearing these? And it only took me, what, seconds to apply? Oh yeah. And I love how you can feel the 3D art on it. So good. I love it. This style is now coming back. This is the duck style, and I am super excited because I love me a good duck set. First time I got one, took hours. I'm not even lying. I was like, look how pretty. So cute. That is freaking precious. This is such a beautiful set. Like, look how it just shines. Look at that. So pretty. And look. Absolutely beautiful, and the light catches it beautifully. And let me do a close-up so you guys can see. These are salon results. Which one's your favorite set so far? These. Like, look at them. Have I convinced you yet to check them out? Have I? They're gorgeous. So yeah, I honestly think it's worth it. Tell me this does not look beautiful. Look at that. There's a shape for everybody. Here's up close. Tell me that does not look like the perfect shade for me. Look at that. It just looks so freaking good. Look at it. So let's see what this one looks like. Look. So pretty. I love them. Like, look at that. You can switch up your look every single day and they look so good. Look how good they look. Look at the moon cat. Pretty. They look chic. Very demure. I like how this set looks. I really feel like it's me. We have this pair. Or this one. Here's up close. Look at that. The detail is everything. So we got this one. And this one. Look at that. Like, the amount of detail these have is insane. Look at that. Saves me so much time sitting at the salon, and I did it just at home. Look at it. These are so pretty. Look at that. They are gorgeous. You guys ready? Dun da da dun. Beautiful. So much detail. So beautiful. There's the thumbs. And here's the nails. Okay, so this set, super gorgeous. Let me show another one. And we have this one. Oh, all these are absolutely gorgeous and they make a statement. Look at that. They are beautiful. Like, tell me they're not. Like, They are absolutely beautiful. They sparkle so gorgeous. Oh, just beautiful. Beautiful, right? Like, oh, these are gorgeous. Supermodel. I like them. Like, look at them. They just, ooh, so pretty. Even this set, beautiful. Look at it. Not too much over the top, but just still catches your eye. Not too long, not too short, but good. Like a good, like, middle. See how the light hits it? Oh, yes. Hits it just right. Do you see how beautiful those nail sets are? And I still have so many more. Like, such beautiful occasions for me to have my nails done. Like, I'm never going back to the nail salon ever again because these nails do not disappoint. They are absolutely beautiful. We have these beautiful ones right here. Absolutely gorgeous with the gold around the nail. Beautiful. We have the stars. So freaking gorgeous. Then we have this set. Absolutely gorgeous. Like literally everything. The holiday sets are so pretty. The like simple bow really brings it all together. The pumpkins. The classic French tip. You can never go wrong. A really pretty brown marble nail. Oh, this one, gorgeous. The purple, the pearl. Oh, then we have the moon cat. Look at that. Then we have this one. Oh my gosh, absolutely obsessed. Look, just simple, but yet so elegant. And if you love the XL nails, they got you covered. The attention to detail is everything, everything, everything. There's something for everybody. You can't miss. There's literally something for everybody. So if you don't like press-ons and you're more of gel polish, they also have a gel polish as well. I got this set because it really stood out to me and I love the moon cat. It's absolutely beautiful. I just love the way it just, I don't know, it just shines, catches the light. It also comes with a magnet so you can get a little, you know, little style going on. So they have kits and they also have individuals. I picked this one because I just honestly thought it was absolutely gorgeous. Now to keep the nails looking nice, I love me a good manicure kit and I love the color lavender. This kicks butt. They're super freaking sharp. This isn't my first one that I've gotten from Temu. They literally hook it up. The other color that I had gotten previously is the jade color, but I wanted my lavenders. I like that they have this in here. This is a nail file and it's so freaking cute. I love it. But I really love these tools right here, especially when I'm doing my feet. I really like to get in there, if you know what I mean. Speaking of manicure tools, I picked this one because I tend to get ingrown toenails at times and I'm always on the hunt for the next best tool. And this one looks like it's gonna get right in there to get it. So I'm really excited to try that out. You have no idea. I feel like as I'm getting older, adulting and finding things like this literally make my day. I also got this. I've been seeing nothing but amazing reviews about it. This right here, it's supposed to just help you. It's kind of like a gua sha, but better. So I'm actually really interested to see how it works and how it's just going to just I also picked up these earrings right here. Look at them. They're so cute. Oh, so pretty. Look at that. I got them because how Christmas is coming up. And so I want to be like, oh. So I want to be like, oh, yeah. Let me just tie my hair up real quick. And because I feel like when you like get jewelry or anything, it really can like change the look up. You know what I mean? It doesn't look as like, you get a little like, oh, what? That over there? It looks so cute. And I really got to get back into wearing the hoops. Back in the day, I used to wear hoops. I was hooping all the time. Since we're on the topic of jewelry, I did get me some more jewelry for my ears. Look. So I have this pierced, this one right here, and I believe the other one. Oh, I thought I fell out. I was like, wait, what? The other one is up here. These are such a freaking pain to heal, but once they're healed, it's so cute because you get to decorate. So I got me a cute little bat. I think that's gonna be absolutely cute, and I don't care. I'm not gonna wait for the holiday. I'm gonna wear it all year round. And then I also got this kit, which it has a bunch of different sizes, and it even has a tool that helps you put in the jewelry. So that's a freaking bonus, and I love the color gold, so I got that one. And you're probably thinking like, what? Because mostly of them is silver, but mind your business. Just kidding. Super cute. And then I also got this one right here, which is a dragonfly, which I think is going to be so freaking cute. Add in there. Cute, 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 cute. I love that they have like different options. Everything. I also got me a new sleep mask. Once your kids know that you like something, they're like, oh yeah, me too. Yeah, me too. Like, so I got this one because I love how it has like the dip. Do you see the dip in there? I don't know. I just feel like that's like more like boosh. And then it has the adjustment right here so that you can, if you got a big head, you got a little head, whatever, just fit your head in there. Me, I got a big head. Watch. See, just like that. And it just feels like, oh, so it's not so like tight on your face, tight like a tiger. It's just on there good. And then last but not least, I got me some long sleeves. So this came in a pack, so I got 3. So I got the white one, and look how cute it looks. Fits me nice, really, really cute. Which one next? Let's do the black. So now what do you think of it? I like it. They're all gonna fit the same, but I love it. Okay, now for this one. Perfect color, perfect, especially for the holidays. Yes. So those are all the amazing goodies that I got off Temu. If you guys are interested, make sure to use my code. Do not forget to use my code, and I'll leave it linked down below for you guys. I love you guys so much. Let me know what you guys loved out of this haul. I would love to know down below. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. It really helps with the channel, and I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.